Hello my dear students, I am Mrs. Supriya Sonone. Welcome you all to Nagesh Karajgi Orchid School. Today I am going to teach you mathematics subject of grade 2. So students, in the previous session we have learnt long division and we have seen dividend, divisor and quotient. Now today we are going to learn division with remainder. Division with remainder. What is the meaning of remainder? Remainder means a part of something that is left over when other parts have been completed. Okay. So open your Canopy textbook, page number 43. See here one activity is there. Maths lab activity number 3. We will see what is the activity. Take 7 things, means for example cakes. Here is how we can divide them equally among 3 plates. Okay. Here is how we can divide them equally among 3 plates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cakes are there and we have to divide them equally among 3 plates. 1, 2 and 3. How we will divide? See, first I keep 1 cake in each plate. Okay. First I keep 1 cake in each plate. Second and third. Okay. Then we have 4 cakes left. 1, 2, 3, 4 cakes left. Again I keep 1 more in each plate. Now there are 2 cakes on each plate. There are 2 cakes on each plate and we have 1 cake left over. We have 1 cake left over. Okay. The left over is called the remainder. The left over is called the remainder. Means we cannot divide 7 exactly by 3. We can't divide 7 exactly by 3 because 1 cake is left over. Means 1 is the remainder. We say 7 divided by 3 gives quotient 2. Means each plate got 2 cakes. Okay. So 7 divided by 3 quotient 2. 3 2s are 6. We have to subtract 6 from this 7. 7 minus 6. How much? 1. 1 is the remainder. Means we can show this 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6 and 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 1 is the remainder. 1 is the remainder. Okay. Another example. Divide 25 sweets equally among 8 children. Among 8 children. Means 25 divided by 8 is equal to, see, 25 is the dividend, 8 is the divider. So we have to say table of 8 till we reach 25. 25 is there in 8 table? No. Then what we will do? We have to see smaller number than 25. Smaller number than 25. See, I am writing here table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fives are, 8 fours are, I am saying once again table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. But 32 is the bigger than 25. Therefore, we can't take 32 number. So, we have to see 24 number. Okay. So, 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. Write here 24 below this dividend and then subtract 24 from that dividend, means 25 minus 24. 25 minus 24, 1. 1 is the remainder. Okay. So, quotient is 3 and remainder is 1. Now children, you think 25 divided by 8 is equal to 2 and remainder is 9. Means 8 twos are 16 and 25 minus 16, remainder is 9. But 9 is bigger than 8. 9 is bigger than 8. See, 25 divided by 8, 25 is the dividend and 8 is the divisor. 8 twos are 16, 25 minus 16, 25 minus 16, 9. 9 is the remainder, but 9 is the bigger than 8. 9 is the bigger than 8. So, the correct answer is 25 divided by 8 is 3. We can't take this 25 divided by 8. 8 twos are 16. Remainder is 9. No, because 9 is the bigger than 8. Remember students, the remainder must always be less than the number you divide by. Okay, means the remainder is always less than the divisor. 8 is the divisor. Therefore, this remainder should be less than this divisor. Okay. So, 25 divided by 8, 8 threes are 24, remainder 1. This is the correct answer. Next, exercise number 9. Exercise number 9. What is the exercise number 9? Use multiplication tables to do these divisions and write the quotient and the remainders. Some have remainders and some do not. Okay. So, first one, 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2. 9 divided by 2. 9 is there in table 2 9 is there in table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8 and 2 fives are 10. 9 is not there in table of 2. So, we will see smaller number than 9. Then what is the smaller number than 9? 8. So, 2 fours are 8 and write 8 below this dividend and then subtract 8 from this 9. 9 minus 8, 9 minus 8, not 0, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. So, 4 is quotient and 1 is remainder. Do you understood? Next number, B number 23 divided by 5. 23 divided by 5. We have to say table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. But 25 is the bigger than 23. We can't take 25 number. We have to see smaller number than 23. Then which is the smaller number than 23? 20. 5 fours are 20. So, 4 is the quotient. Write 20 here and then subtract 20 from this 23. 23 minus 20. After 20, count fingers till you reach 23. After 20, 21, 22, 23 means 3. 3 is the remainder. And what is the quotient? 4. And remainder 3. Next, 11 divided by 5. 11 divided by 5. 11 is there in 5's table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. But 15 is the bigger than 11. So, we have to see smaller number than 11. Then what is the smaller number? 10. Okay. So, 5 twos are 10 and write 10 below this dividend and then subtract 10 from this dividend means 11 minus 10 what? 1. 11 minus 10, 1. So, 2 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. Okay. Next, D number 22 divided by 7. 22 divided by 7. Say table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21 and 7 fours are 28. But 28 is the bigger than 22. We can't take 28 number. So, we have to see smaller number than this 22. Then what is the smaller number than 22? 21. 7 threes are 21. 22 minus 21, 1. After 21, count the finger. After 21, 22 means 22 minus 21, 1. So, 3 is the quotient and what is the remainder? 1. Do you understood? Write down fast, write with me. Okay. Now, exercise number 10. Exercise number 10. What is the exercise number 10? Complete the divisions. Complete the divisions. First one, complete the division. What is the first one? 19 divided by 7. 19 divided by, sorry, not 7, 2. 19 divided by 2. Nineteen is the dividend, 2 is the divisor. Okay, we have to say table of 2. 19 is there in the table of 2? No. Then we have to see smaller number than 19. What is the smaller number than 19? 18. 18 is the smaller number than 19. So 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. Subtract this 18 from this 19. What is the remainder? 1. And what is the quotient? 9. 9 is the quotient and 1 is the remainder. We have to write there. B number, 36 divided by 5. 36 divided by 5. 36 is there in 5's table? No. Then we have to see smaller number than 36. What is the smaller number than 36? 35. Okay. See, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35. Okay, 5 sevens are 35. Then write here 35 and subtract this 35 from this dividend, means 36 minus 35. What is the remainder? 1. 35, 36. So quotient is 7. 7 is the quotient and what is the remainder? 1. Next, C number, 29 divided by 4. 29 divided by 4. I am writing here table of 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, but we can't take 32. Why? Because 32 is bigger than 29. We have to take smaller number than 29. Then what is the smaller number than 29? 28. So 4 sevens are 28. Write 7 in the ones column and write 28 below this dividend and then subtract 28 from 29. What is the remainder? 1. 28, 29. 1 is the remainder and 7 is the quotient. Okay. Next, D number, 34 divided by 6. 34 divided by 6. 34 is there in 6 table? No. Then what we will do? We will see smaller number than 34. Smaller number than 34. I am writing here table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. But 36 is the bigger number than 34. We can't take 36. Therefore, 6 5s are 30. Write 30 below this dividend and then subtract. 34 minus 30. After 30, count fingers till you reach 34. After 30, 31, 32, 33, 34 means 34 minus 34. Then 5 is the quotient and what is the remainder? 4 is the remainder. Next, E number 44 divided by 9. 44 divided by 9. 44 is there in 9th table? No. Then what we will do? We will take smaller number than 44. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45. We can't take 45 because 45 is the bigger number than 44. Then 9 fours are 36. We have to write 36 below this 44 and then subtract 36 from 44. Count the fingers after 36. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44 means what is the remainder? 8. And what is the quotient? 4. 4 is the quotient, 8 is the remainder. See, remainder is smaller than divisor. Okay. Next, 37 divided by 10. 37 divided by 10. Is 37 is there in tens table? No. Then what we will do? We will say smaller number than 37. Then what is the smaller number than 37? See, 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30 and 10 fours are 40. 40 is the bigger number than 37. We can't take 40. So, 10 threes are 30. 30 is the smaller number than 37. So, 37 minus 30. 7. 7 is the remainder. And what is the quotient? 3. Okay, do you understood? Next page. Next, page number 45. Page number 45. See, this is the homework. This is the homework you have to solve at your home. Now, next exercise, exercise number 11, divide. Okay, first one, 28 divided by 3. 28 divided by 3. 28 is there in 3's table? No. Then what we will do? We will see smaller number than 28. Now I will write table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27 and 3 tens are 30, but we can't take 30 because 30 is the bigger number than 28. We will take 27 because it is smaller number than 28. So 3 nines are 27. Write 27 below this 28. So subtract 27 from 28. 1. Then what is the quotient? 9 is the quotient, and what is the remainder? 1 is the remainder. Okay. Next, B number. 42 divided by 5. 42 divided by 5. Okay. I will write table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. But we can't take 45. Why? Because 45 is the bigger number than 42. So we will take 40 number. 5 eights are 40. Write 8 in the ones place and 40 below this dividend, and then we have to subtract 40 from this dividend, means 42 minus 40. 2 is the remainder, and what is the quotient? 8 is the quotient. Next, C number. 52 divided by 7. 52 divided by 7. I will write table of 7 here. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are what? 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56. But we can't take 56. Why? Because 56 is the bigger number than 52. We have to take smaller number than 52. Then which is the smaller number than 52? 49. So 7 sevens are 49. Means 7 is the quotient. Then subtract 49 from this 52. What comes? 3. Okay. After 49, count the fingers. 50, 51, 52. 3 means quotient is the 7. And what is the remainder? 3 is the remainder. Understood, students? Now remaining these 2 rows will be the homework. You have to do by your own. Okay? So students, I hope you understood the concept of division with remainder. And in this session, we have completed exercise number 9, 10 and 11. Remaining part we will see in the next session. Till that time, bye. Thank you.